Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today, huge shout out to the Staple family for sending these my way. We are going to be doing a Cole Haan sneaker for the very first time. So this is a new sneaker brand to the channel that I'm so excited to review. This is a Friends and Family edition colorway, but these are the Cole Haan 0.50 grand work sneakers. So let's take a sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today is a special day since we just received an amazing package in the mail from the Staple family, and this is our first Cole Haan sneaker that we'll be reviewing on the channel. Again, this is the Cole Haan 0.50 grand work sneaker, and this is the Friends and Family colorway. So we'll go through the overview of these, talk about size and fit, followed by how I styled them, and then we will conclude with the price point and where you can find these. So let's jump right into it. So these were originally released back in June on the 12th, and it was released in a very limited quantity on the network app. And of course, these did release on the 12th because that was actually Staple Day. So it was in celebration of Staple Day. So if you saw those back in June, they are actually having a much wider release this coming month, or I guess you could say today. We'll talk about that later on when we conclude about the price point. But this is a completely different color scheme from the official colorway that dropped, which is a more neutral color. This has a lot of brighter tones to it, and I'm pretty obsessed with this color combination. So before I actually start on this overview, I do want to just read this cute little packet that came inside the box. 10 years defying convention, born of moonshot, grounded in tradition. So it says, we do not revolutionize footwear because it's easy. You can kind of see that really cool footprint there. Looks like the moon, and we got like a little CD in here that's nicely cut out. We've got Cole Haan times Staple 5.0 grand work sneaker, a truly special collaboration between Cole Haan and Staple as we celebrate 10 years of defying convention and the 25th anniversary of Staple. It's a business as unusual again. All right. Really cute little packaging that we have there. Now let's get into the sneaker itself. So this is a really cool shape. It's actually a diamond shape design, and that gives a greater amount of flexibility. As far as the front of the toe box, I wasn't sure how flexible the toe box region is, but it actually is very malleable on the front. So we do have this matte black on the top. As we work our way up to the upper, we've got more of a metallic-y dark slate color scheme, and in the middle of that, we've got some nice suede in the black colorway. Working our way up higher, the colors start to become more prominent. So we've got some chocolatey browns on the eyelets mixed in with some dark black shades, as well as some nice hits of teal. We've got this nice little pull tab here that's in a hot pink colorway. The laces are really beautiful in that purple color scheme, and we've got hits of blue as well. And then as we work our way up the tongue, we've got just nice tumbled black leather here, and a nice sock liner and a a dark charcoal gray as well as a lighter shade of gray mixed in with some nice white hues. And if you're not feeling those purple laces, you do have additional laces in a hot pink and blue colorway. Another cool part about the laces are actually the lace tips. You do have the staple logo on, or not logo, but you do have staple written on there. So I love the attention to detail of that. All right, so let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. All right, so working our way to the side panels, we've got just different materials used throughout. You can definitely tell that they spent some time in really deciding the colorway on this, just because there's so many different mixtures that really actually complement each other. I love teal and purple and pink. I feel like that's one of my favorite color combinations. So I love that that's kind of what they've used throughout the sneaker. All right, so on the back here on the pull tab, we've got the Staple logo with the pigeon there. It says Staple Design Inc., a social positive Contagion, New York, New York. And then we've got the pigeon here in a nice metallic silver colorway, really pops off that chocolatey brown. And then we've got Cole Haan that's debossed here. Another pull tab. I love how we have different pull tabs in different places. This top pull tab is in purple and black, and it's got Cole Haan written all over it. The insole is black and silver. As we work our way to the bottom, we've got Grand 360 and EVA foam throughout. And then we've got a nice purple and pink on top of a nice dark gray for the midsole. And as you can see, there's perforation going on, and underneath you can actually see that foam that's in purple. I love that it's transparent. You can actually see through to it. It's really cool design. And as we work our way to the bottom, we've got purple and black for the outsole. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. We've got a really cool box as well. It's in a cool camo pattern, and we've got it in pink, gray, and a darker gray color scheme with Cole Haan and that nice metallic-y silver. And again, this is the Friends and Family Edition colorway. The one that we'll be releasing is in a more neutral tone, so you've got a lot of brown hues in there. But I'm a fan of both of these. I think that the neutral tone that we'll be releasing is super dope, and I think that it's gonna go pretty much with everything and anything, especially if you're somebody looking for a great fall colorway. That's gonna be the perfect fit for you. All right, so now let's jump into sizing. So I would say go true size in this one. I'm a 7.5 in men's. So if you do have higher to narrow feet like myself, definitely stick true to size. But if you do have flatter, wider feet, that could actually differentiate a size that may work completely opposite from my own, just because we have different types of feet. All right, so now let's talk about styling. There were so many fun color schemes to play with in this, so I definitely wanted to accent my clothes with the color accents of the sneaker itself. So for the first look, I decided to really just utilize the pops of color in this with a dress in a multitude of colors that I found somehow surprisingly match this sneaker to a T. And for the second look, I decided to wear a just nice cropped purple tank top with some black leather wide-legged pants. And I just think that adding nice purple hues to this really just looks amazing. And for the last and final look, I wore a nice long maxi skirt that was in a pink color scheme. And then for the top, I wore a New York crew neck sweatshirt that was a gray. So I think that also gray hues go nicely with this, as well as different types of pink. So you let me know down below, what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these? So these are set to release August 25th on the Staple website for $270, again in that neutral tone colorway. And then on Atmos' site, they will be releasing on the 26th. So definitely snag a pair if you can. They're absolutely to die for and so comfortable. Definitely my first review on a Cole Haan, and I feel like this will not be the last. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Again, thank you to the Staple team for sending these my way. Really appreciate you as always. And that's it for this unboxing and review. We'll catch you all next one.